Hi, I'm Louisa.
Hi, I'm Feng Ming.
Hi, I'm Fashan.
Hi, I'm Lucas.
And we are Echo
Echo
Empires
Empires
from SMJK KWANG.
But there's a problem. The classroom is too noisy, even though there's no one inside of it.
And do you know, research shows that sounds that are below 70 dPA are only considered safe. However, the classroom around us can produce up to 85 dPA. In comparison, that's the loudness of a lawnmower or a busy traffic jam. Imagine listening to a lawnmower for about 6.5 hours. It would damage your ear badly.
Thus, introducing you to our latest product, Paper Panel. Paper Panel is made out of paper using recycled plastic mold. The recycled plastic mold is made using this machine that we designed. It has a 3D printed base to make it more durable. And the best thing is, the plastic filament is also made out of recycled plastic. This product can reduce the dBA around the surrounding.
Okay, we have talked about the product, but how are we going to manufacture it? Simple. We begin by gathering various paper resources such as cardboard, newspaper, and toilet paper rolls. Then we cut it up and put it into a blender. The blended materials are then put into a mold. The mold is produced by using 3D printing technology, with the filament sourced from recycled plastic bottle using this machine. After filling out the mold with blended paper mixture, we let it dry and stick it onto a 3D printed bed which is also using the same filament to make it more durable.
The cost of the product only amounts to RM0 since it uses recycled products such as paper, cardboard, and water bottle, and more. Thus, with our design, we hope to improve the learning experience to an engaging journey and fostering a brighter future for the kids who are eager to learn.
Thank you for listening to us.
And have a nice day.